Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Sora AI. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for Sora AI. Then we're going to click on the second link that pops up. So as you can see, this is their official website. So next we're going to click on login on the top right corner. So next we're going to click on login again. So you guys can log in using either of those, depending on your preferences. Then once you're done, you're going to click on continue. Then they're going to ask your date of birth. You're going to insert it as well. Then click on next. So next you can generate an image or video. You guys could choose either of the two by clicking on that button. Then next you can also check the aspect ratio, its variations, the type of image you want, as well as the presets. So you guys could choose it. Then once you're done, you guys could describe your image there by typing on it. So I wrote this as an example. You guys could write your own. Then you're going to ask you for your username. You guys could insert any username you want. Then click on create. Then we're going to wait for our image to load. You can click on My Media under the library section to see your progress. So as you can see, it's 43% done. So once it's done, you're going to click on it. You guys could download it. So selecting that button, you guys could add it to a folder. Then you could do this again and again as much as you want. You could also create videos. Then you could upload it wherever you want. So this is how you use it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.